Welcome to Sushi Chill and Grill's Lazy Wraps Day. Today we're gonna make Tempura King Prawn Chili Wrap. First we're gonna start with these Alma Latina tortillas con chili wraps. They're chili flavored. Oh man, I like some chili. Oh yes, that looks amazing as well. But we're gonna do something different. We're gonna air fry these Tempura King prawns for about 10 minutes. For the base, we're gonna use some, sweet chili sauce. And I really like some chili sauce. We're also gonna put in some green lettuce. And I really love some chives. We're also gonna use some red onions to spice it up even more. And now the air fried king prawns. Oh man, it smells already delicious. And you can put as many on as you want. Also some extra chili sauce. It's not my best folding, but hey, it's gonna be delicious. It's not the beautiful wrap that I wanted to make, but hey, it's about the inside, and that's absolutely delicious. We're also gonna put in some extra chili sauce. And of course, some more of that beautiful green lettuce. Because you need your veggies. They are important. And there you have it. A beautiful tempura king prawn chili wrap. Oh man, this is gonna be absolutely delicious. Thank you for watching. I hope you like my wrap. And as always, see you next time. And if you're new, then I hope you subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment and give me a like. You can also find me on Instagram, Sushi Chill and Grill.